Hey everyone, I have a new unboxing. So I have the Facecam Elgato. It's the Elgato Prime lens, advanced image engine, state-of-the-art Sony sensor, true HD 60 FPS with HDR, raw video, and Elgato flash memory. And so I stream, I stream with my rivals for gaming. So I want to see how this looks. I had to get a new one because I DoorDashed the first one and it was defective. So just be aware. I don't know if DoorDashers could be like possibly tampering with it, but I don't know. I can't put nothing past nobody. So I'm gonna break it down. Now, when you are unboxing it, it comes with the cord to it to plug in and the face cam. It does have a little cover up. You can just cover back and forward. So, and then to adjust when you're on your laptop, computer, or wherever else you might want to stick it on. The device, it has a blue light. Let me see if I can open it. Oh, looks like it popped open. Okay. Now it is updating. I went ahead and say updating the firmware. Let's doing that for a second. Okay, guys, so I was messing with it with this video. I'm gonna link it down below. This is how it looks. I could adjust it more, but I feel like I'm okay how it looks, you know. So check it out. Get one. Invest in yourself. But I will see y'all later. Bye, guys.